Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are mixed. Beans and meal down a little bit. Corn and wheat up a little bit. I think the biggest news overnight was talk that China may slow buying U.S. Treasury bonds. The bonds are lower, the dollar's lower, and the gold's up. It could be because of trade tensions between the United States. It also could be that our Treasury bonds are just not a risk tool on the upside as they have been in the past, especially if the Fed raises rates 3 times this year. The bonds were always expected to go lower, so the Chinese might go in and start investing in something like gold. So that has the financial markets a little uneasy on that kind of news. As far as the grains are concerned, it's still looking like there's some rain for Argentina. That's offering some resistance to the beans and the meal. USDA on Friday should raise the Brazilian soybean crop. They could keep the Brazilian corn crop unchanged. They could lower a little bit the Argentina corn and soybean crop, but if they raise the U.S. corn crop, that would offset a lower Argentina crop. And if they raise the Brazilian bean crop, that would offset a lower Argentina bean crop. So you don't really see anything in the numbers that's going to make the funds get out of their short positions in beans, corn, and wheat from a world stocks number. Wheat is back over the 50-day moving average. Maybe some concerns about dry weather in U.S. plains and a lower Australian crop, but there is still too much wheat in the world, in Russia especially, that's maybe not allow wheat prices to break out on the upside. Corn prices continue to be in a sideways trading range, down at the lower end of the range, supported by maybe a lack of farmers selling, and talk that farmers will plant less acres next year and the carryout may go down next year, versus the fact that right now today there's just too much corn here in the United States versus the especially export demand. So we'll be getting tomorrow CONAB and USDA data. We'll also be getting some China data on Friday, and so we'll just kind of see how all that plays out with the funds short. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.